Dragoon.
Come on, Scully. Pedal a little bit. Just real slow. You'll keep your balance. Real strong. Whoa. That was scary. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, Skulls. Let's go. There she is. Okay, we got somebody coming down. So let's get off the trail. I think. Maybe not. Oh, keep going down. Lots of people over there. Okay, you got it. You go in front.
Okay.
I don't know if this trail's called Winward or that was a dedication on the bench. Okay, keep going. You want me to go in front?
Yeah.
Is that what you mean? Okay. So you gotta just get off the trail as fast as you can. Say, pass me. That's all you gotta do. We hit Meth Lab, Briar Patch, Cowbell. Here we are on Lost Giants now. So let's just restart. We're gonna go back that way, right? Or are we going back to the car?
Go back to the car.
You're done? All done? You wanna go downhill? Okay.
Oh, we were the place we were.
This is where we started. This is where it all started. Pretty good?
Yeah.
Good day on the mountain?
Yeah, good day on the mountain.
Except for Meth Lab, that was scary, and seeing the snake was kind of scary?
Yeah.
Cool.
That was even...
But he loved running down Meth Lab. He was stoked. He's like, oh man, he loves running, like doing free running.
Whoa, I can't believe...
Thanks for watching.
I can't believe I found a snake.
You want to tell the cuties anything else?
I wanna tell them we found a snake.
Yep, we found a snake. Not just your common trouser snake, but an actual about 2 foot, real skinny Gartner snake. So, yeah, that's the end of the ride. We'll keep it rolling. Okay, we're going downhill the whole way, unless you want to go on some more trails. Unless you want to go on Dog Patch one more time, we can. Or we can just go on Lost Giants for a little bit.
Okay,
A little bit more trail or go home?
go home.
Okay, well, let's go downhill then. We're gonna go all the way. We're gonna be going downhill.
Yay, down there!
So I better carry Scully, actually. Scully, wait. going 15? I gotta pick up Scully.
Here he goes. I'd say he's pretty confident.